Hey guys, today we want to talk to you about Glass Bead. As an abrasive, this is, I'm sure you've probably heard from other videos, it is a round abrasive. It's also hollow. But what it does is in wet blasting, it's going to clean by flow over the surface, which is going to smooth the surface. It's going to close the pores of that material, and it's going to leave you a like new restored finish. This is really good for any parts like metal, copper, brass, aluminum, you name it. This process is going to give you a finish that's going to look like new. Where that differs is with the dry blast, it's going to hit with an impact. So it does create dust, it does break down faster, and in wet blasting, it's going to last you probably 3 to 4 weeks if you used it every single day, which is going to be much better on the consumables as opposed to dry blast. All right, so because the glass bead is round and it's hollow, it's not going to be good for prepping surfaces for coatings or removing coatings. That's something that you would use like an aluminum oxide for. So in the wet blasting system and dry blast, glass bead can be used in any of our equipment, from the micro vapor hone all the way up to the VH4000. Let us know if you would like to purchase some glass bead. Give us a call if you have any questions about abrasives. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.